I can do some of my filming and my work without interruption. It's a very big facility and it has places where you can work in peace. And I'm very gratified, very much gratified at this place as my fitness center, where I can come regularly and come and look into possibilities. I don't even have to work out. So this is one of the things and the benefits that I can say is one of the benefits of being a member of LA Fitness. I really do like it. I can see the parking space is not as crowded today because it's a Saturday afternoon. There's not a lot of people in the gym today. So, but it's one of the reasons why I came, because of the sparsely populated gym. Subscribe to Hewitt Daily Workout Routine. All my fans, take care of yourselves. It's Saturday, it's a weekend. Enjoy your weekend and protect yourself from COVID-19. All the best, fans, subscribers alike. All the best.